What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you're looking to find out what kind of memory or RAM your computer has, or even how much the manufacturer and or part number without having to open up your desktop or laptop case, then you're in the right place. To do this, we'll open up PowerShell, and you do not have to open it up as an administrator. And then we'll be using this script here. Now, this is a pretty lengthy script only because it's doing a for each basically memory module that you may have in your laptop or computer desktop. It's running this if-else statement for each memory types. But what we decided to do here is condense it by putting semicolons after each line. And all we have to do is just copy this, go to our PowerShell, and paste it. And let me just make sure I'm pasting it. Okay, there we go. So I'm not sure exactly what happened here, but let me just start over here so that you can tell that I'm pasting it correctly. So just paste it and then run it. And let me expand this. And as you can see here, it's telling us different memory types. It's all DDR3 in my case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 memory sticks in the case, installed on the motherboard. And at the very end here, it tells us the installed memory, which is 24 gigabytes. Now I want to show you guys something very important. And if you look over here, this is on a laptop, and if I paste the script here and run it, it tells me that there's an unknown memory type detected with a 0, but it does tell me the capacity, it does tell me the speed, the manufacturer, and so forth. And then it shows me that there's 2 slots, and the installed physical memory should be 12 gigabytes, but in this case it's telling us 11.2. Now, the reason why this is showing us this is because the memory is soldered into the motherboard. So it's not removable, you cannot upgrade it, there is no slot to put additional memory in this case for this specific laptop. But if we come back here, of course, this is telling us the full memory, what type it is, which means that we can remove it. We can basically upgrade it if needed. It tells us all the other information. Very quick and easy, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff. And I'll see you guys on the next one.